In this video, you're gonna learn about the Color Target SpriteRenderer, a component inside the theme manager system in DoozyUI. Let's get started. The Color Target SpriteRenderer changes the color of a target sprite renderer. So let's see it in action. First, we need a sprite renderer. So I'm gonna right click on an hierarchy view, to the object, and I'm going to create a sprite that automatically has a sprite renderer. Let's reset the coordinates and let's set a sprite. Let's see what we have here. Something visible. I'm going to use this brain. And now I have a sprite. In order to be able to change the color depending on the active scene, we need to use a color target sprite renderer. And to do that, we use the add component option. And here we can go to Doozy, themes, targets, color target sprite renderer, or another way of adding it is just write color here and you just select it from the list. I have 3 themes in this particular project: another theme, general, and my theme. And each of these themes has variants. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Right now I have selected the primary color from another theme. So I have the selected theme, another theme, active variant, number 3, actually named 3. And as you can see, it changes the color. If I select the secondary color, again, it's gonna change to the secondary color. You can also override the alpha value if you want the sprite to have a certain transparency. So let's say 20%, let's go to 40%. And whenever you change the color, it will preserve this alpha value. If you remove override alpha, it will go just like the color you set in the theme variant. Of course, I'm changing this in the editor, but you can also do it at runtime. And here I have 3 buttons, 1, 2, and 3, and they're connected via portal nodes to a theme node. Each theme node has a variant that it activates. So button 1 will activate variant 1 from target theme another theme. Button 2 will activate variant 2, and button 3 will activate variant 3. So let's enter play mode. I'm not using any code for this. So I'm going to select 1, 2, and 3. And you can see the graph also changed. And let's also see how the active variant changes here. So now we have 1, 2, and 3. And yeah, that's it for the color target sprite renderer. Thank you.